In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and organize your life with the new Notion calendar. Imagine having a tool that can help streamline your day-to-day tasks and make managing your schedule more efficient and enjoyable. Notion, already popular for its versatility as a productivity platform, has just made things even better with its enhanced calendar feature. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of setting it up and making the most out of it. First things first, you'll want to head over to Notion on your web browser or open up the Notion app if you've got it installed. If you're new to Notion, signing up is quick and easy, offering a range of features to suit both simple and complex needs. Once you're on the platform, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its interface if you aren't already, as this will help you navigate through the upcoming steps smoothly. Next, locate the calendar icon, which you'll typically find nestled within the sidebar of your Notion dashboard. This icon represents your gateway to the Notion calendar, a feature that's about to become a crucial part of your organizational toolkit. Clicking on this icon will reveal an option labeled Get Notion Calendar. Once you click on that, you are well on your way to tailoring how you organize your personal and professional life. After you've accessed the calendar, you'll notice an option that lets you connect databases. This feature is fantastic if you want to consolidate multiple sources of information in one place. For instance, you can link your task lists, client meetings, and project deadlines all into this single view. It holds the key to synchronizing your various responsibilities and commitments, making it easier to keep an eye on the big picture while also attending to the smaller details. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Notion interface, where you'll find an arrow beside your profile icon. Clicking this arrow opens a menu that lets you personalize your calendar settings. This customization reflects your preferences and enhances your calendar's usability to suit your unique schedule demands. Personalize it to show a month, week, or daily view, whatever best helps you visualize and plan your time effectively. As you've seen throughout these steps, Notion's calendar feature is not just about plugging dates and deadlines into a timeline. It's about integrating your whole digital workspace into a cohesive, organized system that helps you visualize your commitments and align them with your goals. To wrap up, I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with Notion Calendar. By following these steps, you're not only investing in a tool to manage your time, but also in a streamlined process that can transform how you approach your daily life. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.